Okay, here's a walkthrough of the practice word test. The first part is about basic editing, character and paragraph formatting. The second part is about picture formatting, making footnotes, headers and footers, margins and outlines. And the third part is about doing a mail merge. So this section is going to focus on this video is going to focus on this first part, the basic editing, character and paragraph formatting. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open up Word. And it doesn't matter how you open it up, just so long as you open it up. And you want to open up a specific file. And that file is going to be in your Exploring Word folder, most likely, either on your CD or on your hard drive. And you want to find Chapter 1, Practice 1, The Basics of Word Processing, which is right here. And so you select it, and then you click OK, and it will load it up. So the first part was to open up this file and to save it as the Basics of Word Processing solution.doc. So we choose File, Save As, Chapter 1, Practice 1, The Basics of Word Processing Solution. And especially if you're running off of your CD, you're going to have a problem if you just try to say Save As right here, because your CD is not writable. So you might want to change the folder to My Documents first. So we can just click on My Documents here, and that should bring us here. This is the first time I was doing this on this computer, so it's giving me this issue here. But here we are in My Documents. I'm going to say Save, and now I've saved it. And if we look at the top, it says Chapter 1, Practice 1, The Basics of Word Processing Solution.doc. If at any point you want to confirm that it was stored in some area, this is not part of the test, but you might be interested anyway, you could just open up this web toolbar and it'll tell you the whole folder and name of the file in there. Okay, so again, part of this part A, we want to change the to and from sections to be accurate. So to should be your instructor's name. So we're going to write here Joshua Waxman. And the from is where your name goes. So let's say, in this case, it's myself, so I would say Josh Waxman. So that's going to be whatever your particular name is. And finally, we want to do simple editing. We want to change to overtype mode, and we're going to change the word hope to the word wish. So here we go. On the bottom of the screen, we have something that says OVR. It's grayed out. If you double click on it, it'll change it to black. And dark black, so we're going to go into overtype mode. You could also just press the insert key, and that will toggle between the two different values there. And in case you forgot, it is in fact this paragraph here will tell you exactly how to do it. So it's no difficult thing here. So I'm going to double click on OVR, and I'm going to look for where it says hope in the first paragraph. So it's easy to master word processor once you understand the important fundamentals. We present some of the most basic concepts below and hope that the hands-on experience. So we're going to change hope. We're going to click here, and since we're in overtype mode, we could just say wish, and it'll replace character for character. Finally, we want to change back to insert mode, so we'll double click on OVR, and we'll go to insert mode in the very beginning here, and we're going to change It's Easy. We're going to change that to It Is a Breeze. And now we have to delete the rest of the text because we were inserting instead of overtyping. So that's the end of part A. We'll continue with part B in a moment.